Hello there, this is Dave Allen for Good and Geeky, and today we're going to have a look at the fastest way to make a scroll shot. And in the background we're going to be using Picsew, and we're starting off by working in the Photos application, and we're going to choose two photographs which are actual screenshots from WhatsApp, and we're going to make that into one long scroll shot. Let's have a look and see how it's done. So first I'm going to click on this one on the left, then click on the one on the right, and we have our two photographs selected ready to pin together. And then we're going to scroll down until we see the icon and the details saying create scroll shot. We have a stitching success, and we've got them both put together, those two images, and no evidence of a join in the middle. And that's how you make the fastest screenshot in the world. The way that this share works is by using the application Picsew, which has manual tools as well for putting screenshots together. Let's have a look and see what else we could have done with this. Now I've got the app Picsew open. I'm going to select these two pictures, number 1 and number 2, and we're going to click on the button to make a scroll shot. Now that worked just as fast as when we used the share sheet in the Photos app. Click on the button and the job was done. This time, instead of selecting scroll shot, we're going to go and select vertical, and we're going to put these two together manually. This is going to give us the opportunity to decide where we want these two pictures to be joined, and it's better to join them in a place where it's not going to be in the middle of a picture, for example. So we tap on this pen icon and it changes to this symbol here, and we can move the picture down to where we want to make the join. Then we can move the bottom picture upwards and get it working just perfect. And we can also top and tail it, so we can take this top one and we can move the picture upwards so that the bit that we don't need is moved out of the way, and same thing at the bottom. So we end up with an even more perfect scroll shot. Then we tap on the share icon and we can export to two photos or export to files. Do a pinch in or a pinch out gesture on the screen so you get the picture exactly where you want it, so you can work on it in the Picsew environment. I tap on the icon in the middle of the screen, move the photo across to get rid of the bits of picture I don't need, and then I can click on the button in the middle again to finish off. As well as cropping between two pictures and cropping from the outside, you can also crop away from the inside part of it, so chop something out in the middle of a picture. If you've got something from this video and you'd like to see more of the same type of thing, then why don't you hit the like button and hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye bye now.